Welcome to the CD Adepto demo video. What I want to show in this video is the delay between the conventional coil and the ReGenX coil. So what I have is in the prototype is operating at a steady state speed right now, and the blue sine wave is the output from a ReGenX coil as it comes off right at the generator coil. The pink or purple, let's call it purple, is the output of the ReGenX coil across a 1 ohm resistor, and the yellow sine wave is the output across this light bulb. So we're at 3300 RPM right now. I'm going to lower the input so that we are operating with a drive shaft that has negative torque on no load. Okay, very important. Okay, so our drive shaft is decelerating. The torque in the drive shaft is negative, and the induction motor is responding by increasing the current and by increasing the torque supplied by the prime mover. I'm going to reduce the input a little more. And there's the current going up. As the speed goes down, the slip angle between the stator and the rotor in the induction motor goes up, so the power goes up. Okay, so now we'll put our conventional coil on load, and we're producing 8 volts across our load. It's inducing deceleration in the system. The induction motor is responding, and here we have the yellow sine wave is the voltage across the load, and the blue sine wave is the ReGenX coil. I'm going to put the ReGenX coils on now. Both, we have 2 ReGenX coils in the prototype. The prototype is accelerating. The input to the prime mover is going down. The current to the prime mover is going down, which means the torque supplied by the prime mover is decreasing as the speed increases. Here we have the output across our load, which is increasing as the speed increases. And we have our purple sine wave, which is the sine wave across the 1 ohm resistor. Okay, so as we can see, the voltage across the 1 ohm resistor is delayed, and it peaks virtually slightly delayed. This is the crest of the voltage across the light bulb, and the ReGenX coil is peaking when right at this point here. This is the maximum induced voltage in the ReGenX coil. In the conventional coil, the ReGenX coil is delayed, and we can see the delay, which is almost 90 degrees. More than that, well, almost 90 degrees. So there's the delay, and As we can see, the prime mover is using the minimal amount of power. The speed is maximum. The output through our load is maximum. And now I'm gonna go back to conventional generator mode. I'll take the ReGenX coil off. Now our induction motor is responding by drawing increasing amounts of current, supplying increasing amounts of torque to the drive shaft while the system decelerates and while the output from the generator goes down. Now I'm just going to let the system come to a steady state speed, and we're going to see where we end up here, just as a point of comparison.